Okay, I've returned. I walked away and left it sit for a while. Came back to see if I like it any better than I did. And I don't hate it, but I'm not really liking it that much. And I'm wondering, it appears to be a lot of little miniature selling going on. And I wonder, well, it could be because I have a lot of white in the base coat. And that's probably what it is. For a moment I was thinking maybe it's because these paints have sat around for a long time, but I've had them well sealed, and I don't think that's it. It's probably the white. Anyway, I want to experiment a little bit more. I'm going to use my hairdryer on it, so let's see. I think I'll add some more of the, what do you call it? Magenta, because I've got a lot of it, and copper. I'm going to leave some of it, but I'm going to blow some of it out. So let's see what happens. Hopefully it will still move because it has been sitting a while, and these paints start setting up quicker than some. Maybe some of this dark blue. Just try blowing that part out. Oh my word. Stop. Oh my gosh. I knocked a cup of black paint all over the floor. I gotta pause here. Wow, that was really something. This attachment flew off my hairdryer and knocked over a 5-ounce cup of black paint off my table and onto my floor. Fortunately, it cleaned right up. I have that vinyl plank flooring, and it wasn't really a big deal, but it looked pretty bad at first. So it's on here nice and tight now. Let's try again.